Hey everybody, I'm Sean Cook, Superintendent of the Lakeside School District. Today I'm in our awesome pre-K building. You know, we have awesome students here. You can see them sitting here with me today. Pre-K registration and kindergarten registration start next Monday. You just go to the outside of their offices and you can pick up your packets there. Right now we have 7 students in our district with COVID-19 and 1 employee. So everybody's doing great. You can tell with all these young students here, they're wearing their masks. They're going by the rules too. You know, today our governor had a press conference and he talked about directives versus guidelines. You know, we've been under a lot of directives from the Department of Education and also through Arkansas Activities Association that we've had to follow. Most of those guidelines are going to remain the same. They're talking about possibly lifting the mask requirement in certain places after March 30th or 31st, the very end of March. So, you know, we'll be listening to those. Also, they're talking about some different variances that we can do at venues. So we're going to be looking at outdoor events, prom, graduation, just to see what we can do. We're going to work with the department. We're going to work with the Arkansas Activities Association and try to do the very best and safest things for our kids. So I hope you have a great day. God bless and